Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to apply a PAN card online step by step. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com, and from here just simply search for PAN Card Express. And from here just simply go to the pancardexpress.com. And from here you will have multiple options. So you will have India citizen, foreign citizen, company PAN card, or PAN changes. And from here this will be depending on you. So in order for you to apply, just simply select what you are applying for. Let's say I'm gonna go for company PAN card. And from here, guys, as you can see, just simply provide your company name, country of registration, register A, register name, and from there, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed, like your information and your address. And after that, just simply provide your business information. Once you click on submit over here, guys, an email will be sent to you, and from there, guys, you should be able to have a pre-filled PAN card application form. And as you can see down here, you should be able to see the things to note and the document list that are valid for this application. And as you can see, you should be able to have the PAN number in 7 to 10 working days, and add another week for a printing of PAN card and international delivery. And as you can see, guys, the digital copy will be sent to email on application once it is successful. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.